Good day to all. How do you multiply a two-digit number by 9? There are interesting ways to do it. One of them is by using this instructional material. In this material, there are 10 popsicle sticks. Each of these sticks is labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A pink paper is used to indicate the ones digit of the two-digit number, and you can insert this paper on any of these 10 popsicle sticks. Let's have an example. What is the product of 36 and 9? Pay attention to the two-digit number, 36. The ones digit is 6. Kindly insert the pink paper on the 6th popsicle stick. Multiply the tens digit of the two-digit number. In this case, it's 3. So 3 times 9, it's 27. Count the number of popsicle sticks on the left side of the pink paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's 5. And add 5 to 27. So 5 plus 27 is 32. Write 32 on the board. Now count the number of popsicle sticks on the right side of the pink paper. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 4. Write 4 on the right side of 32. So we have 324. Thus the product of 36 and 9 is 324. Let's take another example. 42 times 9. The ones digit of 42 is 2. So kindly insert the pink paper on the second popsicle stick. Determine the tens digit of the two-digit number. In this case, it's 4. Then multiply it by 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. How many popsicle sticks are there on the left side of the pink paper? It's 1. So 1 plus 36 is 37. Write 37 on the board. This time, let's count the number of popsicle sticks on the right side of the pink paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 8. So write 8 on the right side of 37. We have 378. Therefore, the product of 42 and 9 is 378. Now what if the two-digit number is a multiple of 10? Let's say 40. So let's multiply 40 by 9. So what is the product of 40 and 9? What's the ones digit of 40? It's 0, right? If it's 0, you insert the pink paper on the 10th popsicle stick. Since the ones digit is 0, we subtract 1 from the tens digit of the two-digit number. That is 4, which is the tens digit of 40, minus 1 is 3. Then multiply 3 by 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. Now, how many popsicle sticks are there on the left side of the pink paper? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. add 9 to 27. So 27 plus 9 is 36. Rewrite 36. Now, how many popsicle sticks are there on the right side of the pink paper? It's 0, right? So let's write 0 on the right side of 36. We have 360. Thus, the product of 40 and 9 is 360. So this is one of the interesting ways of multiplying two-digit number by 9. I hope you learned something for this video.